Today on Ready Steady Eat, we are going to make the most easily available and the most famous Indian bread, which is Laccha Paratha. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Ready Steady Eat and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's begin by making the dough. We will add in whole wheat flour to a bowl. Add in bit of a salt, a little ghee, and mix it well. And let's rub the flour with our hands just like this. Now add in water and make a medium soft dough just like this. Let's form it together and cover it with a damp muslin cloth, and let's rest the dough for 15 minutes. Now let's take out a portion from the rested dough and shape it into roundels. And let's put this on a plate. Add in ghee on top of the roundels and coat it evenly. And then cover it with a damp cloth and keep it aside for 15 minutes. Now let's take a portion and make a roundel just like this and roll it out into a circle shape. Apply ghee on top and a little bit of flour. And then just split it like this. Just like a fan. Now roll it from one side to the other just like a Swiss roll and make a roundel and flatten it. Apply ghee on top and spread it across. Place this on a plate and cover it with a damp cloth and let it rest for 15 minutes. Now let's take one portion and roll it into a paratha shape, just like this. Let's cook it on a tawa on medium heat. Cook it slightly from one side and flip it. And apply ghee and then cook it from the other side and apply ghee again. Press it lightly and cook from both sides. Our restaurant style Laccha Paratha is ready. To serve, let's open the layers of the paratha just like this and pour some ghee on top of it and serve it. I am sure you will love this recipe and don't forget to leave a comment below.